Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Friends, did you know there is another energy source that can be used for electricity generation? It's steam, known as a steam power plant. The steam power plant, abbreviated as PLTU, uses steam energy to produce electricity. Oh, really? Let's take a look. Here's the structure of a steam power plant, so we can understand how this plant works to generate electricity. The raw materials for a steam power plant are coal and oil. The coal is then put into a combustion furnace, where it will be burned at a very high temperature. Then the water flowing in the furnace will be boiled at a very high temperature until it turns into steam. Then the steam will move into the turbine room and spin the turbine. The rotation of the turbine will drive the generator, and it is from this generator that electrical energy will be produced. Oh yes, the electrical energy obtained will enter the transformer and then be distributed through electrical substations until it reaches our homes. Cool, right, Emma Lab friends? There is an advantage to using this coal-fired power plant, which is the low cost of its fuel, making it easier to develop. But the downside is that the cost to build the coal-fired power plant is still very high, and the carbon emissions produced are still very high. Additionally, the construction of coal-fired power plants should be as close as possible to large water sources used for cooling. We should all be proud of the information Max is going to share with you, M-Lab friends. It turns out Indonesia already has a coal-fired power plant. Can anyone guess where? Come on! Okay, Max will just tell you. The largest coal-fired power plant in Indonesia is called Python Power Plant, and it's located in Probolinggo, East Java. This power plant, built in 1994, has a total power capacity of 4,600 megawatts. The PLTU Python stands on an area reaching 400 hectares. This makes the Python power plant the largest power plant in Southeast Asia. Wow! The energy generated from PLTU Python is then distributed through a 500 kilovolt high voltage power line via an interconnected system for the Java and Bali regions. That's really cool, MLab friends. The electricity used in our homes might come from the Python power plant. That's why we don't need to worry about not having electricity because we have the Python power plant. Okay? Well, see you again, MLab friends. Goodbye! Hey, friends of the Electricity Museum, did you know? The new PLN 4.0, unleashing energy and beyond.